Hi, this is the HAFURY GT20 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the X-Icon Changer app from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search we'll enter the X-Icon Changer. Now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and you'll see all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. So let's use, for example, the phone icon to change it. You could rename it here by tap to edit name. In library section we got different folders with the icons which we could use. Also we could use photos from our device gallery and to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's find the phone icon, tap to the right upper corner to OK. Now we should just keep the ads. After that, click to add automatically. We could change next icon by the same way or to go to desktop directly. So that is the new phone icon. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.